Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is our fifth lecture, Public Policy, 7th semester. The topic of today's lecture is Tools of Implementing Public Policy. These are the tools which the government used to implement their policies. There are many tools that are used by the government to implement their policies. Government makes the decisions regarding the policies and then implement it through various bodies or institutions of the government. When the government decided a policy, then they consider different methods to implement it. For implementing the public policy, the government selects one of the method and use the tools to implement that method. Government tries to make change in the behavior of the public through their policies so that they could implement the policies through which they could resolve the issues or problems of the public. The policies are made by the government officials on the top level and then passed to the lower organizations of the government bodies, and these bodies or official groups are responsible for the implementing the policies. So government got implemented their policies through their institutions and the government officials. The first tool to implementation of the public policy is information. On the first stage, when government decides policies, took the decision, and then it conveys the information to their different institutions and for the public at large. The information is presented on the public level so that the public as well as the governmental organizations could play their role for the implementation and achieving the desired goals. The desired goals are always the solution of public problems. This information is sent to the organizing, operating and sustaining community plans as well as to public and their organizations. The second tool is legislation. Laws are made by the legislature, which is elected by the peoples of the state and responsible for the lawmaking of the country. The laws of the country are obeyed by everyone, so the policies of the government are made under the cover of the legislation. Nobody can ignore the law, so that the policies made under the law are obeyed by all the citizens of the state. They obey the government policies as they obey the laws of the state. The third tool of the policy implementation is guidelines. Government, when develop the policy for getting the sustainable results from the public policy, they makes the guidelines, convey these guidelines to implementing bodies and officials as well as to the common people. Government gives mandate to all the concerns who are responsible to implement the policies for achieving their goals. These guidelines always increase the working of implementing institutions, implementing officials. All was done for the welfare of the people, so that the guidelines were needed to satisfy the people and to create a course of action for the implementing bodies. The number fourth, procedures. The fourth tool is implementing the government policies is procedures. To implement any kind of policy, government makes standard operating procedures for the implementation of policies. From time to time, government reviews standard operating procedures for the successful running of the policy and achieving the goals which were fixed by the government. These standard operating procedures are established on the making of policy or before the starting or on the implementing of policy. This will be done for the public welfare and to solve the problems of the public. All the concerned institutions and officials use the standard operating procedures to implement the policies without using standard operating procedures or without making standard operating procedures. It will be very difficult to implement the policy and to get reserved goals of policy. The number fifth tool of policy implementation in the hand of governments is the grants. It relates to the financial matters of the implementation of policy. Policies are always made for the welfare of the public, for the solution of public problems. So the government use the grants from the finances which were collected from the people in the shape of taxes. On the implementation of policies, in everywhere always need the finances. The government provide grant for implementation of policies on one-time basis. These one-time grant is provided to the concerned bodies or community groups who are responsible to implement the policies. This grant is called the one-time setup grant. The one-time setup grant means the grant that needed to implement the project, implement the policy, the expenditure for the policy implementation or to achieve the policy goals. The government give a one-time grant to use the concerned institutions and concerned officials, so they could easily run the policies smoothly for solving the problems of community. Number 6, standards. Government always on the making of policy sets the minimum standards for the policy decisions and implementation. These measures always be observed by the implementing bodies and officials. All these issues which relates to the policy, they are covered under the standards made by the policy makers. Without observing these standards which were made by the government, the policy cannot be successfully run for the solving of issues of the community. Thank you very much, students. If you have any question, you can call me. You can ask questions on the WhatsApp. I will be available to reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.